The Ultimate 2025 Guide, your complete roadmap from zero to professional social media management. Discover up-to-date salary information, essential skills, and growth strategies to launch your career in this thriving digital field. No prior experience required. Social media management has evolved into one of the most accessible and rewarding career paths in the digital economy. With an impressive average U.S. salary of $64,845 and top earners reaching $95,500, it offers substantial financial potential. The demand for skilled social media managers continues to explode as brands recognize the critical importance of maintaining a strong online presence. Companies of all sizes are investing heavily in social media to connect with their audiences. Perhaps most appealing to newcomers, this career offers genuine flexibility with abundant fully remote work opportunities, allowing you to work from anywhere with an internet connection. Plan and execute. Develop strategic social media campaigns, create engaging content, and manage posting schedules to maximize audience engagement. Manage community. Oversee brand voice, respond to comments and messages, and build an active community around the brand identity. Analyze and optimize. Track performance metrics, generate reports, and continuously optimize content strategy based on audience response and platform analytics. The beauty of social media management is that technical experience isn't a prerequisite. The most important qualities are ones you may already possess. Strong communication. Effectively convey ideas and engage with audiences through compelling content that resonates with your target demographic. Critical thinking. Research capabilities and analytical mindset to understand audience behavior and make data-driven decisions. Trend awareness. The ability to spot and capitalize on emerging trends before they become mainstream, keeping content fresh and relevant. Basic design sense. Understanding of visual aesthetics, and how to create eye-catching content that aligns with brand identity. These core skills form the foundation upon which you'll build your technical knowledge. Platform knowledge. Instagram fundamentals. TikTok best practices. Facebook strategies. X, formerly Twitter, techniques. Content creation. Engaging captions. Eye-catching images. Short-form videos. Compelling stories. Essential tools. Hootsuite for scheduling. Canva for design. Analytics platforms. Content calendars. Adaptability. Algorithm changes. Emerging trends. Platform updates. Best practice evolution. Yes. The social media management field remains one of the most accessible professional careers in 2025. No degree required. No degree or formal training is required to get started and succeed. The barrier to entry is lower than almost any other professional field in 2025. Self-taught success. The majority of today's successful social media managers are self-taught, leveraging the wealth of online resources available. Many began exactly where you are now, with interest but no experience. Rapid career launch. Real-world examples abound of 2025 beginners who have launched thriving careers within months through self-directed learning and practical application. Study the masters. Follow top brands, industry influencers, and track emerging social media trends across platforms. Analyze what content performs best and why it resonates with audiences. Take free courses. Enroll in high-quality free online courses from Meta Blueprint, HubSpot Academy, and Coursera to build foundational knowledge and learn platform-specific strategies. Analyze and apply. Deconstruct successful campaigns on your favorite platforms. What makes them work? How do they engage audiences? Apply these insights to your own practice projects. The most practical way to gain experience is by creating and growing your own themed social media accounts. Launch a project around a personal passion, cooking, travel, pets, etc. Experiment with content formats, posting times, and engagement strategies. Test different scheduling tools and analytics platforms. Document your growth process and results for your portfolio. These self-directed projects become your first case studies, demonstrating your capabilities to potential clients or employers. Local opportunities. Approach small local businesses, community organizations, non-profits, or clubs that could benefit from social media help. Their needs are real, but budgets often limited, creating perfect opportunities for beginners. Value exchange. Offer to manage accounts for free, or at a reduced rate initially. Propose a 30-day trial period to demonstrate your value. This builds goodwill and reduces risk for the organization while you gain experience. Document everything. Capture before and after metrics, collect testimonials, and document your strategy. These real-world results become powerful portfolio pieces that demonstrate actual business impact. A well-crafted portfolio separates serious social media managers from casual applicants. Your portfolio should showcase screenshots and results from your test accounts, sample campaigns you've created, even conceptual ones, real data showing growth and engagement metrics, client testimonials, if available. Use Google Slides or Canva to create a visually appealing presentation. For each project, explain your strategy, execution, and measurable outcomes, demonstrating both creativity and analytical thinking. Canva. Free graphic design platform with thousands of social media templates. Create professional-looking posts, stories, and videos without design experience. Scheduling tools. Hootsuite or Buffer allow you to schedule content across platforms, track engagement, and analyze performance, all from one dashboard. Trend research. Google Trends and Answer the Public reveal what people are searching for, helping you create timely, relevant content that captures audience interest. Current platform evolution. To succeed in 2025, stay current with these key platform trends. Short-form video dominance, Instagram Reels, TikTok Shorts, and YouTube Shorts continue to capture the highest engagement rates across demographics. Live streaming commerce, integrated shopping features during live broadcasts create new revenue opportunities. AI-powered tools, content suggestion, caption generation, and predictive analytics are reshaping workflow efficiency. The most successful social media managers adapt quickly as platforms evolve their algorithms and features. Freelance platforms. Create profiles on Upwork, Fiverr, and specialized social media job boards. Start with smaller projects to build ratings and reviews before pursuing larger clients. Community networks. Join Facebook groups, Discord servers, and LinkedIn communities focused on social media management. Many jobs are shared directly in these spaces before being publicly advertised. Agency opportunities. Apply for entry-level positions at digital marketing agencies. These roles offer structured training, diverse client experience, and valuable mentorship from seasoned professionals. Selling your potential. When approaching potential clients or employers without formal experience, focus on your content samples. Showcase the quality of your work and your understanding of platform-specific best practices. Learning agility. Emphasize your ability to quickly master new platforms and adapt to changing algorithms. Current knowledge. Demonstrate up-to-date understanding of platform trends and features that even experienced managers might have missed. Results orientation. Highlight any metrics from your practice accounts, Even modest growth shows your potential. How do you handle negative comments? Outline your process. Assess the validity, respond promptly and professionally, take serious issues offline, and demonstrate how you turn critics into advocates through thoughtful engagement. How do you measure campaign success? Explain your approach to setting KPIs based on business objectives, awareness, engagement, conversion, and your process for tracking, analyzing, and reporting meaningful metrics. What's one recent trend you've leveraged? Share a specific example of how you identified and incorporated a platform-specific trend, e.g., a TikTok sound, Instagram feature, to boost engagement for a personal or client account. Accelerated growth strategies. Fast-track your skills development with these high-impact activities. Social media challenges. Participate in platform-specific contests and hackathons that push your creative boundaries. Digital marketing networks. Connect with experienced professionals through LinkedIn, Twitter Spaces, and dedicated Slack communities. Industry webinars. Attend free events hosted by platforms and marketing leaders to gain insider knowledge and emerging strategies. Peer feedback. Exchange reviews of your content with other beginners to identify blind spots and improvement opportunities. Set clear boundaries. Establish dedicated working hours and communicate your availability to clients. Create a structured schedule that separates work time from personal time to prevent burnout in this always-on role. Master remote tools. Become proficient with collaboration platforms like Slack for communication, Trello or Asana for project management, and Google Workspace for document sharing and real-time collaboration. Document everything. Create clear reporting templates that showcase your impact. Regular updates with metrics and achievements help remote clients understand your value and justify their investment in your services. Your career trajectory. Social media management offers multiple paths for professional advancement. Entry level. Social media manager handling day-to-day posting and engagement, $45K, $65K. Mid-career. Senior manager or strategist developing comprehensive campaigns, $65K, $90K. Advanced. Director or agency owner overseeing teams and major accounts, $90K, $150K plus. Salary increases correlate directly with portfolio quality, measurable client results, and specialized expertise in high-value areas like paid social advertising. Ignoring data. Failing to track and analyze performance metrics leads to repeating ineffective strategies. No content strategy. Posting randomly without a cohesive plan or clear objectives wastes effort and confuses audiences. Overcommitting. Taking on too many clients or platforms before developing efficient workflows leads to burnout and poor results. These common mistakes can derail your progress, but they are entirely avoidable with proper planning and realistic expectations. Start small, measure everything, and scale only when you've established reliable processes. Your first 30 days. Choose one platform, e.g., Instagram, and theme, e.g., sustainable living, to focus your initial learning efforts. Enroll in a free social media course. Meta Blueprint is excellent for beginners. Join at least 2 Facebook groups for social media managers to begin networking. Launch your practice account and commit to posting 3 to 5 times weekly. Document your growth, engagement, and learning in a simple spreadsheet. Consistency matters more than perfection. Begin implementing these steps today, and within weeks you'll have developed valuable skills and tangible examples of your capabilities.